Welcome to another video. We've got a special unboxing for you today. We're in the office. We actually got the 011 dynamic. Do you see this? Take a look. It's dynamic. It's a computer case, in case you didn't know. And you see my printers. I made a video on that. Have you seen that video? It's in the... I put it in the comment section below. It's Canon, my personal take on Canon printers, and just an unboxing and overall review of this one. And let me tell you, it's worth watching. Okay, so we're going to open this and just jump into it and give you my impressions. Now this was from Newegg. I had to remember where I got it. And it was on sale, but turns out they everywhere's got them on sale right now. It was like 130, wasn't it, Shane, or somewhere in there, give or take. So we need to turn it upside down, the box, and then just lift up. Straight up and down, in case you didn't know how to unbox these. Now you know. We got the 011 dynamic instruction booklet right here. That's not in English. That's also not in English. Is that in English? That is not in English, so okay. I'm one-handed here. This is the back of it. Okay. And then we got this one. We need to take out too. We need to set it on the table. We're putting a spot out. Off. Spot out. Yeah, the table's a mess. So the 011 dynamic. Here we go. Oh, look at that sexy case, Shane. Mm-hmm. Now this, if you didn't know, we're going to put a threadripper PC inside of. I like the black. I wanted black because everything in my case is black. Now, right on, we can add more fans and stuff into it. So we're going to go and install everything into it. And I'll show you the half of the product, you know. But all in all, the case on this 011 dynamic looks extremely beautiful. This is the back, satin black. And then we got this with all the air things. And to take the panels off, you know, we can't have an unboxing video, detailed flash video without showing you. Well, I thought I looked professional. This comes up, and then we set this over here. Then we got a magnetic thing here. We set this here too. Boom. And then these slide straight up, like so. And they come on hinge. You can lift up and out. So that's it. I'm going to build the PC. My desk is a mess. I know. I need to straighten everything up. So anyway, we got it done. Check it out. The 011 dynamic looks pretty good. I need to get me some more fans for the inside the case. But this threadripper should be exhausting a lot of air now. The case looks good. I give you a close-up. But before we move on, I also resell TattsForLife on eBay. And I guess most resellers do what's sold today. And my hair is a mess. Look at that. This is the next day, by the way, from when you see me unbox that. So, yeah. What sold today was Fallout Game of the Year Edition, $5.99 plus shipping. And we got Ghostbusters for the PS4, $8.99 plus shipping. So, that's what sold so far today. You know, I ain't disappointed. That's 2 sales. You know, somebody's getting 2 good games. They're going to different people. If you're a viewer and you do check the store out and you pick something up, note to seller, just leave it in there, you know. It's nice to hear from you guys and the support. You know, you support me on the channel. You know, thank y'all so much, you know, for the support. So, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing video. And you can't forget, we got the 67 XT upgrade here. You know, we upgraded from the what was it, 1070 or 1660 Super, I can't remember. And my dog wants me to go outside and play with it, so I'm going to go do that now. And hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.